What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our March 2020 FPV crate, and we're going to go ahead and do is unbox it, see what we got this month, and see if it was worth our while to pick up the FPV crate box this month. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I do tons of FPV crate unboxings. I do also quad box. I do review videos on different FPV products that come in, and I do also tutorials to help you guys get up and flying. So subscribe if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and unbox this box for March and see what we got. All right, so it looks like we got a little thank you thing here. Looks like some directions. $10 off an abducted box. I think this is their special box that they're doing. So if you're going to be picking this up, I'm not going to pick it up. But if you guys want to use my code, you're more than welcome to. So if it's been used, I'm sorry. Somebody else used it before you. But yeah. And then got some stickers. Kind of cool. And then some packing stuff here. So let's start off with this here. We got 3 sets here. 5x4.3 by 3 HQ props. These are the polycarbonate props, I guess. Yep. They're the same. Yep, all 3 boxes. All 3 of them the same. Then we also got ourselves, looks like a little magnetic tray to put some screws and nuts and whatnot. It has a little, I think that's the magnet. Yep. Okay. And this must be the boost for this month. Creator 46. What is this? Take a look. It is a 4-in-1 ESC. So it looks like this is the 4-in-1 ESC that went with the Crate F7 flight controller we got, I think a couple months back, maybe? Don't remember when we got it, but this is about a $45.99 ESC. So this almost makes it up for the box right there. So I think these boxes with tax and everything are around anywhere from $50 to $65. Depends on taxes and also on shipping. So let's put this back in there. This is a nice little flight controller. Is this a BNF one? Hope so. Does it have any specs on it? Yep, it is BNF 32. So that's, hey, that's awesome. At least it's not an old ESC where it's like been outdated for years. So not a bad deal. I like it. I needed an ESC anyway. So there goes that. And also we got ourselves a shirt for this month. So let's take a look. What we got. Looks like just an FPV crate little logo with some Team Black Sheep logos inside of it. Neat. I like it. Size is it? Okay. Cool. So that is it pretty much for this month's box. So we got the shirts, probably about $15 or so. You know, 15 bucks. This, you know, a couple dollars. 45. I mean 45. So 45. 50, 60, 63, about 75. Yeah, so about $75, I would say, in product right here, and we paid. So we got about $10 or $15, however you want to look at it. Savings a little bit. So not a bad box. I actually like it because I needed a 4-in-1 ESC. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Did you like this month's box? Leave it down. Did you hate it? Let me know down in the comment section down below. But give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.